Monday morning, we of course are keeping a close eye on the satellite and radar this morning, but the main portion of the storm with the downpours and the very strong winds of last night has now exited the area. So now we're getting in on some of the circulation from yet another low pressure system that's just up to our north and west. That's circulating some scattered showers into the area, and that is why wind will not completely calm down today. It will be gusty at times, even through tonight. Here's what's going on right now. We have one particular band of showers pushing through for the Boston area, but the heaviest band is actually west of 91, and that's where we do see some areas of downpour still in place. Pittsfield, for instance, getting hit by very heavy rainfall, but this is not expected to shift eastward. It's staying with that very northerly track, likely making its way through Vermont and portions of New Hampshire. Whereas you move east of 495, the showers are looking more scattered in nature. We have a very light shower out toward Leominster right now, and then more moderate showers heading toward Boston, making its way up toward the North Shore at this point in the morning. Scattered showers moving down toward the Cape and Islands right now on the outermost portion of the Cape. More moderate to even heavy showers that are moving through, and that's hitting areas like Wellfleet at this point. Futurecast indicates that through this morning, the scattered showers will linger for much of the area, heaviest and steadiest as you move into areas west of 91. So moving out toward the Berkshires, Franklin County getting hit by steady and heavy showers moving eastward. Most of us seeing just very scattered activity. By noon, there's a few showers looking to linger, especially northward and westward. But for many of us, we're seeing signs of improvement, even some sun breaking through. That's the trend through this mid-afternoon, 2-3 o'clock. You can see those skies are clearing out very quickly as the rain continues to shift out of the area. So drying out as we move into the forecast tonight. Temperatures will be relatively mild, but it's a very strange outlook. So high temperatures today look to top out in the low to mid 60s. However, keep in mind those high temperatures are likely something we'll see in the morning hours. So heading out this morning, many of us are already in those mid 60s, and as we move through the afternoon, they're actually falling. So by the time you're heading out with your evening commute, getting the kids from school, temperatures are down into the 50s. So you're going to feel a bit of a chill to the air, especially when you add in the fact that the wind is still going to be gusty. Wind gusts between 20 to 40 miles per hour, occasionally gusting up to about 45. So for the forecast tonight, clear, cool, and breezy. Temperatures will really cool down at that point. We see a few 30s inland, 40s as you move toward the coastline. We're watching the system move out, but keep in mind those winds are going to be gusty through much of today. And here's a breakdown of that as we move through this morning. We see occasional wind gusts up between 35 to 45 miles per hour. It starts to shift in direction to the south and eventually to the west as we head into the later afternoon and evening, but still very strong. You see wind gusts over 35 miles per hour at points, so it is going to be a very windy day. But for Halloween and for the trick-or-treaters, it's going to be mild. Afternoon temperatures near 60, but by the time the kids head out to go get those treats, temperatures will be falling through the 50s with those clear and cool skies in place. Keep in mind, sunset is a lot earlier at this point, so it's getting dark even earlier at this point in the year. Rest of the 7-day forecast includes temperatures mainly staying on the seasonal end of the scale. 50s for Wednesday will be a bit chillier before new showers arrive for Thursday and Friday.